My darlings, did you know that Igbos are the highest ranking military officers in the United States? Yes, Igbo men and women are leading at the very top levels of the US military. Mhm. In fact, the highest ranking Nigerian in the US Army today is an Igbo woman. Her name is Brigadier General Amanda Azubike, a truly remarkable achievement. This is no small feat. Reaching such a high rank takes years of discipline, hard work, excellence, and resilience. It reflects dedication, intelligence, and unwavering commitment to service. Brigadier General Azubike currently stands out as the most senior Nigerian born officer known in the ranks of the US Army. She is probably from Idato in Imo State, Nigeria. Her story reveals how far determination and excellence can take you no matter where you come from. It also highlights the global impact and leadership capacity of the Igbo people. Somebody shout power. Number 2 on my list is Colonel Kigguala Njoko, a highly respected scientist and a distinguished officer in the United States Army Medical Corps. He hails from Mbise in Imo State, Nigeria. Colonel Kigguala moved to the United States in 1971 at just 18 years old, shortly after the end of the Nigerian Biafra War. Before leaving Nigeria, he attended Holy Ghost College, Owerri, where he laid the foundation for his academic journey. In the United States, he pursued higher education with great determination. He studied at the Worcester Junior College, the University of Lowell, the University of Massachusetts, the New York Institute of Technology, and Hunter College. Through these institutions, he earned multiple academic qualifications, including associate, bachelor's, and master's degree. He later completed a PhD in nuclear science and radiological physics, with additional training in environmental engineering technology. This advanced education qualified him as a specialist in nuclear science and radiology physics, a highly technical and critical field. In 2003, Colonel Njoko achieved a historic milestone when he was promoted to the rank of colonel, becoming the first African to attain the rank of colonel in the history of the US military. Number 3 on my list is Colonel Lawrence Anya, a distinguished officer in the United States Army. After getting a banking and finance degree from Nigeria, he attended the United States Army War College in Calesso, Pennsylvania, where he earned a master's degree in strategic studies. He also obtained a bachelor's degree in finance from the University of Alabama. In addition, he earned a master's degree in engineering technology from Murray State University in Kentucky, further strengthening his technical and leadership expertise. Throughout his career, Colonel Lawrence Anyanwu has served in several high-level and distinguished positions within the U.S. Army, contributing significantly through leadership, discipline, and service. His legacy of service continues through his family. His first son, Lieutenant Rain Anyanwu, also serves in the U.S. Army as a physician assistant at Fort Bliss, Texas, reflecting strong tradition of dedication and excellence. Number 4 on my list is Colonel Ike Enwama, a PhD holder who was promoted to the rank of a colonel in US Army in 2020. Somebody shouts power. This one will be by nepotism. It is purely merit-based and through years of discipline, hard work, competence, and consistent excellence. Colonel Iwama is from Amimo, Ikedru, Imo State. Number 5 on my list is Captain Kelechi Ndukwe. He made history in September 2025, becoming the first African and Nigerian to become a Commodore in the American Navy. Recall that in April 2021, Commodore Ndukwe shattered records when he became the first Nigerian American to command a US Navy warship. He hails from Okoki-Tem in Abia State. The last on my list at the moment is Major Kingsley Abuji, who was promoted to the rank of a US Major in 2024. He hails from Okwangwa in Abia State. Don't forget to register for our Igbo class. If you don't know how to speak Igbo or your kids don't know how to speak Igbo, rush now and register. And our content creation class is still on. Don't forget to DM me I'm just a DM away.